1000 LB Sisters, star Tammy Slaton has once again stunned fans with her latest appearance in a post-surgery TikTok video that has gone viral across social media platforms, leaving many viewers shocked, emotional, and deeply inspired by her remarkable transformation. Known for her long, painful struggle with obesity, health complications, and emotional trauma, Tammy Slaton has emerged on the other side of a turbulent journey with a level of determination that few could have anticipated. Her latest video doesn't just showcase a slimmer face and body, it reveals a new Tammy, one almost unrecognizable to fans who have followed her from the beginning. The video, which features Tammy lip-syncing to a trending sound while showing off her slimmer figure and enhanced confidence, has racked up millions of views within days of posting. The comment section is filled with reactions ranging from disbelief to awe, with many fans writing that they had to double-check if it was really her. "I had to pause and look again, Tammy. You look amazing," one TikTok user wrote, while another commented, "This is the comeback we've been waiting for. She's glowing." The transformation is not just physical. For those who have watched Tammy since the early seasons of the TLC hit show, the change in her demeanor, expressions, and energy is just as striking. Her eyes, once often dull and tired, now sparkle with vitality. Her movements are freer, her posture stronger, and even her smile seems more genuine. The journey to this moment, however, was anything but easy. Tammy has spent years battling life-threatening obesity, with her weight at one point exceeding 700 pounds. She relied on mobility aids, oxygen support, and had been in and out of rehabilitation centers, struggling with not only physical limitations but also emotional and psychological barriers tied to food addiction, depression, and trauma. Her journey has been chronicled in raw, unfiltered detail on 1000 LB Sisters, with millions watching as she endured health scares, hospitalizations, and dramatic family interventions. Season after season, fans witnessed her setbacks, sometimes heartbreaking, sometimes frustrating, but they also held on to hope that Tammy would someday turn her life around. The turning point appeared to come during a critical hospitalization in early 2022 when Tammy's health reached a dire point. After being placed in a medically induced coma and put on life support due to respiratory failure, she survived what many thought could be a fatal incident. That moment, both terrifying and humbling, became the catalyst for real change. After recovering, Tammy voluntarily checked into a weight loss rehabilitation facility and committed herself to the long and painful process of physical and emotional healing. Unlike previous stints in rehab, this time Tammy stayed the course, surprising doctors, family members, and fans alike with her persistence and grit. Over the course of several months, she dropped a significant amount of weight and became eligible for bariatric surgery, a milestone she had struggled to reach for years. The surgery, which took place in mid-2023, marked a new chapter in her life. Post-op recovery was not easy, but Tammy adhered strictly to the medical guidance and dietary restrictions. Alongside physical recovery, she also began focusing on mental health, attending therapy, and participating in support groups. The cumulative result of all this effort is now visible in her recent TikTok video, an almost unrecognizable version of the Tammy fans first met years ago. But her transformation isn't just about looks. In interviews and social media posts, Tammy has spoken candidly about her newfound self-esteem and her hopes for the future. "I feel like I finally have a life," she shared in a recent Instagram live. "I wake up every morning feeling like I've got a second chance. I want to live it fully." This kind of openness has only deepened fans' admiration for her. Many who struggle with their own health or emotional issues find inspiration in Tammy's resilience. Her journey is no longer just a reality TV storyline, it's a narrative of survival, strength, and rebirth. What also makes the video so captivating is how subtly Tammy shows her progress. There's no flashy announcement or dramatic reveal. Instead, it's a simple, confident presence. Her face is slimmer, her cheeks defined, her neck visible, and she no longer appears to rely on an oxygen tube. Her clothes fit differently, more stylish, better fitting, reflecting her new sense of identity. But more than the physical indicators, it's her posture, her confidence, and the way she holds the camera that signal real change. Viewer can sense that Tammy is not just smaller in size, she's bigger in spirit. The impact of her transformation is also being felt among her family. Her sister Amy, who has undergone her own weight loss journey and previously expressed frustration at Tammy's resistance to change, recently posted an emotional tribute to her sister, saying, "I'm so proud of Tammy. We've had our ups and downs, but seeing her like this makes it all worth it. She fought hard for this moment." Fans of the show recall countless scenes where Amy broke down in tears, terrified for her sister's life. Seeing her now cheerfully celebrate Tammy's progress is a full-circle moment, many viewers celebrating alongside them. And while the TikTok video itself is short, the ripple effect it has caused is significant. Support groups dedicated to 1000 LB Sisters have been flooded with discussions about the clip, with some fans speculating on what's next for Tammy. Could she return to work, start dating again, or even inspire a spin-off series focused solely on her post-surgery life? While TLC has remained quiet about future seasons or potential projects, the overwhelming public response to Tammy's transformation suggests that viewers are eager for more. Tammy herself has hinted that she is interested in using her platform to help others. In a recent comment reply, she wrote, "If I can do it, maybe I can help someone else believe they can too." Her honesty and relatability continue to be her greatest strengths, even as her physical appearance changes. Not everyone has been supportive, however. A small but vocal group of critics have questioned whether her transformation is authentic, with some alleging the video was overly edited or filtered. Tammy, true to form, clapped back in a subsequent post, showing herself makeup-free and unfiltered, starty. "NG, this is me. No filters, no fakes, just facts." Her refusal to be undermined by negativity only fueled more support from her loyal fan base. Experts in the field of bariatric surgery and obesity treatment have also weighed in on Tammy's transformation, noting that while the physical changes are impressive, the most important shifts are the psychological ones. "What we're seeing is not just weight loss, it's a complete change in mindset," said Dr. Rachel Munoz, a bariatric specialist. For someone like Tammy, the battle is lifelong. But to see her this motivated and consistent is very promising. It's what we hope for in every patient. Dr. Munoz emphasized the importance of continued support, structure, and therapy post-surgery to maintain results, especially for individuals who have dealt with food as a coping mechanism for trauma. Tammy's case, she noted, could become a public success story that challenges long-held stigmas about obesity and food addiction. The rise of TikTok and other short-form video platforms has given celebrities like Tammy a unique space to control their narrative. Unlike heavily produced television shows, TikTok offers a raw, unedited glimpse into her world, giving fans a more intimate connection. It's no surprise then that Tammy has chosen this medium to slowly reveal her progress. Each video becomes a chapter in her evolving story, and fans are turning to her page regularly, hoping for updates. As her confidence grows, so does her presence on social media. In recent weeks, Tammy has begun experimenting with new content, from makeup tutorials to cooking videos adapted for her lifestyle. She's also shared snippets of her physical activity routines, showing her walking unaided and performing stretches, activities that were once impossible for her. These glimpses into her new life are not only celebratory but also educational, especially for fans navigating similar journey. Yes, while fame can often be fleeting, Tammy's story is proving to have staying power. Her vulnerability, authenticity, and now dramatic transformation continue to make her one of the most compelling figures in reality TV. Her path is still unfolding, and challenges remain. But this recent TikTok video feels like a statement that Tammy Slaton is not just surviving, she's thriving. And for the countless people who've seen themselves in her pain, this moment is more than just a viral video, it's a sign that change is possible. Tammy's unrecognizable appearance post-surgery is not about losing weight to look good, it's about reclaiming her life after years of being trapped in a body and mindset that kept her from fully living. And now, as she steps boldly into a new chapter, her story continues to inspire, provoke, and transform not just herself, but everyone who watches. As fans eagerly await more updates, one thing is clear, Tammy Slaton is no longer the woman we once knew. She is stronger, healthier, and finally, truly FRE. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.